अरे
Good
क्या है?
afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Women Shine Show. I think let's wait for 1 more minute, then we'll start. Okay?
Do you want me to give a shout out, Aparna ma'am?
No, it's okay. We are live.
Okay.
Hey, Pulkit. Hey, Rupinder.
Oh, these guys have come. Pulkit and Rupender are very close. So Pulkit is a part of Love Actually also, and he has his own
Okay.
content. Yeah.
That's good. So, hi again. Welcome everyone to Women Shine Show. Today, 3rd December 2020. The theme is Not All Disabilities Are Visible. It also focuses on spreading awareness and understanding of disabilities that are not immediately apparent, such as mental illness, chronic pain, fatigue, sight or hearing impairments, brain injuries, cognitive dysfunction, among others. In fact, according to WHO World Report on Disability, 15% of the world's population is living with disability. And during the COVID-19 pandemic, isolation, disconnect, disrupted routines, and diminished services have greatly impacted the lives and mental well being of people with disabilities right around the world. So, to begin our session today, we have Miss Tanushri Sharma. She's from Mumbai, who's the founder of LoveActually.me. I really love this name, Tanushri. And this is a dream project. This is a dream project. It is a social enterprise which is focusing on PWDs, which is people with disabilities. Tanushri Sharma is a well-known name in the startup and corporate sector as she comes with more than 12 years of experience. And the best part is the mantra. Her mantra is confidence is not just a feeling, but core perceptions of ourselves. I think
Oh yes.
let's begin with this. So I'll start shooting questions to you, Tanushree. Welcome here, and very good afternoon to you. Uh,
Hi.
First, the
Good
main,
afternoon. Yeah, just seeing the time. It's 12. Yeah. Good
yeah.
afternoon to you too.
Yeah. So I would like to know about your corporate career. You've been into it like for more than 12 years. Can you just tell us about where you have worked with companies and all, and what domains you've
Uh,
experienced about? Yeah.
Oof, 12, 13 years of experience, Aparna. I think you know very well. We've been working together also in some of the projects before.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. Yeah.
I started, I think, 2004, 2005, just juggling around careers, ki kya karna hai. I was also one of
Mm.
everyone, very confused, ki main wrong time, wrong place kind of person I was. I, I started with 91 Springboard was one of my career, disha bolte jo, okay, fine, I want to get into startups. So
Yeah.
91, I got in. I worked for a small span because I wanted to come back to Bombay. I was in Delhi. I was Delhi in FAR for
Okay.
5 years. I worked there. And then
Okay.
when 91 came, so I just came to know ये ecosystem भी होता है कोई startups का. And
Right. Yeah.
I was very excited. I was very, very surprised कि by God, 82 companies working under one roof कैसे. And I was the operation head there, and it went good. So that was a change of my whole career. And then I came
Yeah.
here, did my consulting. I was more into the co-working spaces. So I
Okay. Okay.
managed. So people's person, I can say, managed a lot of community work. Did a lot of in-house
Mm-hmm.
events, that up and above. And the last stint was I am still with them on the core team. I
Mm-hmm.
am still a part of Naman Angels India Foundation. So Naman
Okay.
happened to be on the investor, like angel investing firm. And we wanted to help a
Mm-hmm.
lot of startups with mentoring and investments.
Mm-hmm.
And even though I had a good knowledge of community, but this was something very new. We did a
Mm-hmm.
very famous event, jo aapko pata hai, SIS Startup Investors Summit,
Yeah.
and it
Yeah.
went fantabulous. So that was my
Mm-hmm.
one of the last startup event. Then I hopped into Love Actually, but uh, still today I am in touch with Dinesh sir, and I'm a core team of Naman, and we are getting some good projects also apart from Love Actually. So my
Yeah, yeah.
13 years was amazing. उसके पहले जो था वो था, you know, I was here, I was there, I was everywhere type. But
Yeah, yeah.
community made me realize the real career. So hence, I was a part of my
So,
12 years of co-work.
so in that case, you're a strong community person, no? So if somebody wants to really enhance their communities, they can really get in touch with you. You can advise them how to build a community, strong community. Actually, now coming
Yeah.
to this, like you have been doing wonderfully in all these communities and all. But kaise, how do you thought of going into entrepreneurship now? Because इतना अच्छा आप कर रहे थे, they were into doing so well. So कैसे, how this thing happened?
Arey, ma'am, 2005, when I wanted to start something, as I said, confused mind, I wanted to get into the entrepreneurship. Bhai साहब, मुझे
हाँ.
businessman बनना है, वो business woman बनना है type, you know. I want to be my own boss type of attitude था. Yes,
Yeah.
it failed very badly, and I'm very proud of it. You know, I had a failed startup, I can say. Then pushed me back. बोले चलो नीचे आ जाओ, practically काम कर लो थोड़ा.
हाँ,
I
हाँ.
always wanted to do something of my own. That was a mantra I had. Fought against all the odds कि मेरे को job
Hmm.
नहीं करना है, and you know all this. And today I stand because of the past experience. I'm like, okay, हो गया 12 साल 13 साल.
Wonderful.
Let's get
Yeah.
back and let's do something what I always wanted to do. Hence, I left. I mean, that time Naman was going through ups and downs. Close karna pada because
Hmm.
of whatever the reasons. But
Hmm.
then I took a sabbatical, and then I thought, "Okay, bhai, kya karna hai मेरे को?" So when this
Hmm.
thing came up one fine day, it can be called as a magical, or as I said, I have the entrepreneurial kida to do something. IT में तो अच्छी नहीं हूँ मैं, community में ही अच्छी हूँ. So I was thinking कि कोई, frankly, ma'am, you're doing so nice for women entrepreneurs. I'm like, why should I do something of women entrepreneurs when there are people like you doing it? You know,
Right.
do
Right.
something which is
Right.
very different, and we can collaborate
Yeah.
anytime. I always believe collaboration is the key success to any business.
Actually,
You
yes,
know, so
absolutely.
I
Collaboration
started
is the key
this.
to success. Yes.
Yes. So hence I started Love Actually. Love Actually कैसा आया? Because I apparently saw this movie called Love Actually one day, and I was like, यार ये बहुत अच्छी love story है. अच्छा नाम है, love story side में अच्छा नाम है. But
नाम तो
yes,
बहुत अच्छा है.
when
नाम
I
is really
came to
good.
Love
Yeah.
Actually,
Hmm.
ब्रांड बिल्डिंग के लिए मैम बहुत अच्छा है ना, दिमाग में रह जाता है लोगों के.
हाँ,
Love
हाँ.
Actually me. No, but love actually means you need to love yourself first, and then
Yeah.
you really don't care what people think about you. First, you need to love yourself. एक time तुम अपने प्यार करो ना,
Yeah.
the world sees you by their own eyes. So
So what
that's why
all
when I came
activities you
into,
do in this? So what all activities you
so
do in
I'll
this?
just Hanji. So love actually me is, I'll just give you one line and then I'll talk about the activities type.
Yeah,
Love
yeah.
actually me is an initiative for people with disabilities. So we don't focus only on disabilities. We are more inclusive here. We want disabled and able to sit on the same table. When I say metaphorically. So when I started this off, the meko and sachi bolo dating app karna tha. I wanted to get into the dating zone. I'm like, yaar, pyar to sabko karna hai. The butterflies and, when it
Yeah.
gumta hai, the first crushes. So I had that kind of motive. But of course, my partner, Rajneesh, friends like, shut up. I mean, this is not only the motive. Let's go on
Yeah,
a
yeah.
serious kind. So what we did is that
Mm.
online and offline initiative we do. So when I come back,
Mm-hmm.
online is, of course, we are creating a socializing app where
Okay.
you can date, you can meet. So basically, if I say meet, greet, network with like-minded, abled and disabled for professional and
Yeah.
personal goals. So we
Okay.
help
Okay.
them getting. We are not Naukri.com. We are
Hmm.
I can say a gap or a bridge between
Huh.
employees if they are, and then we are using keywords. So we are promoting
Hmm.
a lot of freelancers and work from home jobs because of the COVID also, which came
Yeah.
into a good part for us. And socializing, everyone, ma'am, needs a friend. Needs someone to
Mm-hmm.
talk to. I mean, any time of the day, pick up a call or meet for a coffee or tea. We wanted to take it
Yeah.
offline mostly, because disabled apni community are more inclined towards house. I understand the limitation and I respect that, but get out, go for a cup of coffee. It's nice to meet new people. You
And
gain a
why
lot of
not?
knowledge. So,
Yeah,
इसलिए
of
मैंने
course.
किया.
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's
So
interesting,
this is
interesting.
a one line. This is Hanji. Hanji.
So how old is
Yeah.
this now?
Okay.
Love actually got me.
So this is 1.5 year old. We took time. हम लोग आराम से कर रहे थे because we have to get into the whole zone of a very new segment. It's a sensitive segment, and with all due respect, right from the words you use to the
Yes.
to the way you talk, the way you interpret and be friends. तो पहले जब मैं enter हुई थी, trust issues बहुत है. Okay, first of all, we are able. Why unable doing for disabled? Kya chahiye?
Yeah.
What is the
Yeah.
motive behind it? So first we
Correct.
had to, justify the motive, and luckily we did it because, as I said, community person थी मैं तो थोड़ा जानती हूँ मैं.
Yeah.
First you need to be a friend.
Yes.
And my
Yeah.
socializing app तभी चलेगा when they trust me. So we had to take 1.5 year,
Absolutely.
2 years thing.
Okay.
Now we are coming up.
All right. So what activities like you do? You do meetups in this, or it is just Mumbai centric, or it is like pan India?
So it is luckily pan India and international, I can say today.
Okay,
Pan
great.
India, Hanji. Hanji. So we are all over India, and now we are touching base in New Zealand, Australia. So that's the second part. We are also in touch with the Canada Commission to talk about कि कुछ कर सकते हैं हम उधर. So slowly, अभी तो मैं India ही concentrate करूँगी when my app comes up. Let's catch first. Let's begin from home, type, and then we
of
go
course.
outside. But on the activity side, we are pan India. We are coming up with Ignite. It's coming in next 8 days. 8 days.
Yeah,
में
my
आ रहा है,
next
11,
question
12,
was
13.
on that. Yeah, my next question was on that only. That what is Ignite, and because this is an incubation program, right? So tell us
No.
more about.
Ignite is an event, man. Incubation is also
Achha.
incubation. So
That's
I'll
separate.
talk
That's
about both.
separate. Yeah.
That's separate. So as I said, we are doing a lot of branches. When the Love Action thing comes, Ignite is it's a celebration evening. 3 days of evening of a PWDs. It's not only for PWD. It's inclusive. Dance hoega, music hoega, gaane hoege, comedy hoega. It's just a celebration evening. December hai yaar.
Right.
December is anyways a holiday month
Yes.
for everyone. So this is happening on Insta Live, loveactually.me.
Okay.
3 दिन होएगा, and we have international participants also coming in, performing.
Oh, that's lovely.
Abled and disabled. Yes, abled and disabled. So 3 दिन of masti होएगी. We did see a good last time, and hence we have to do it again online due to COVID की वजह से. But normally this is offline. So हमारा motive यही था कि general public should see the skill disabled rather than the auditorium where there are 100 people who know who are disabled and what are they going to. Able people. So last time offline kiya tha, to we had around 3,500 people jumping and dancing and enjoying. Yeah. मैं खुद डर गई थी. मतलब by God, ये क्या है? And online kiya tha, तो it was 6,500, and this time we hope to go plus. अभी नाम नहीं बोलूंगी, सुपरस्टिशन हूँ मैं. अपना मैं आपको फोन करके बाद में बोल दूंगी इवेंट के बाद कैसा है. But 11th, 12th, 13th.
Dates. What are the dates?
हाँ जी, 11th, 12th, 13th of December, which is like 8 days away from.
We have still time. People can join it. Yeah. Great.
Yes, Insta Live पे आ जाओ सारे. Love Actually 5 बजे चालू हो रहा है, 5 p.m. onwards. You will see craziness of us. We are totally crazy. थोड़ा है हम लोग crazy. So this is something which we do. And now थोड़ा serious is entrepreneurs. So as I come from the as we come from the startup ecosystem. So we have seen a lot of entrepreneurs rising and falling. So I wanted to even tell, because professional getting a job, people like me who don't want to do a job. So for them, I say we create an incubation center with SPDBI. So SPDBI Sardar Patel, a technology business incubation, Mumbai mein hai. So we are doing a lot of virtual incubation also. We have 5 startups now, and we are hand holding them. Yeah. So we start from 5th. Abhi Saturday se chalu ho raha hai hamara. First the cohort starts. for a year,
Okay.
and then we see how it goes. We are going to take in 2 good startups, maybe more mentor funds agar ho sakta hai kahan se, to
Yeah,
we
yeah.
are going to do that. Yeah, so we are doing that also.
So this incubation will be only for PWDs, or like anyone can join this?
No, so we concentrate mostly on PWD. So if there is an able, for example, you are doing something for
Yeah,
PWD, we
yeah.
expect you to have a PWD core team person. That
Okay,
makes
okay.
sense. That makes
Yeah.
sense. Yes. So
So that's
we want a
interesting.
PWD.
Hmm.
Yeah.
In
Getting
fact, by
them,
this platform, you can announce, you can ask people to join your cohort as well, no? Because it's starting from 5th of
Yeah.
December, so they can
Yeah,
still join.
yeah. We need registration open hai. Please come, more the merrier. We just
Yeah.
require ideation stage bhi chalega. When
Hmm.
legal process mein chalega, because we don't have any TNC applied there. We just want you
Hmm.
all to come and make your dream a reality. That's it. You know. I mean, funding
Hmm.
मिले ना मिले पता नहीं. अभी I can't commit on anything, but mentoring जरूर मिलेगी. We have industry expert, and I'm going to even take Aparna ma'am for one of the sessions. I'm asking you as Aparna ma'am, come. These people need, one of the community session, how to build a community type, you know. So,
Hmm.
so this starts. It's going to be Saturdays every month. 2 Saturdays
Okay.
only we take, and do ghanta,
Okay.
and then they come
Okay.
back with their questions, and hold on. Everyone will get
Okay.
a mentor for their desire.
Okay.
Yes.
So these 5 startups you have right now, what are they into? Can you just tell something brief about
Hanji,
them?
Hanji. So we have amazing, it's a very dynamic, I can say, startup. एक है जो electronic vehicles का app बनाने का सोच रहा है.
Oh,
So
lovely.
he's got, yeah. He comes from Bangalore, so he's going to make a
Uh-huh.
app or plug and play. जैसे charging points होते हैं, तो उसका
Uh-huh.
सोचा है इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स का. एक है व्हील
Okay.
चेयर. So this is an able doctor with
Okay.
collaborated with a disabled entrepreneur, and they are
Mm-hmm.
making a wheelchair that is I think automatic wheelchair which goes below. जो paralytic होते हैं patients, below
Mm-hmm.
the waist, below the neck, they can walk. मतलब they can do wheelchair पर घूम सकते हैं अकेले
Yeah.
with their
Okay.
eyes.
Okay. All right.
And then e-commerce hai, and then there is someone with meme chalan hai, and content guy. So I pushed him. Let's monetize it. You make such a nice content.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
he's
Yeah.
also coming in, and then we'll see
That's
more,
good.
ma'am.
That's good.
Abhi to शुरुआत hai.
Very, very different kind of sectors, a different kind of startup. That's good. In
Yeah,
fact, I think this is, yeah, you're doing lovely because आपका जो love actually.me है, this is into community as well. At the same time, they're supporting startups as well. So I think
yes.
काफी multi-dimensional है ये. This is your
हाँ.
this initiative.
प्लेट
So like
प्लेट में बहुत है मैम अभी.
बहुत है, यस, बहुत है. तो जो आपने
बहुत है.
जो तनुश्री 1.5 साल काम किया इस पे loveactually.me में, तो इसमें यू मस्ट हैव कोलैबोरेटेड विद वेरियस एनजीओज आल्सो, नो, जो इसमें काम करते हैं, लाइक वेरियस
Yes.
एक्टिविटीज यू मस्ट हैव
Yes.
डन इन दिस. ओके. सो किस तरह का
हाँ. So
इम्पैक्ट लाइक यू हैव क्रिएटेड इन दिस?
So impact is very individual impacts. We say we believe in doing micro. Micro ka micro gives a bigger aspect rather than going for macro. We start from small always, but we have collaborated. We've done a lot of small CSR activities also.
ओके.
We have collaborated with Bangalore-based NGO. एक हमारी mentor है Jasmina Khanna. So she's a cerebral palsy patient. She has started her own NGO for accessibility. We have collaborated with her. And there are many more. We have collaborated with Atul Kalla. Atul Kalla is also Igniter give sponsor.
Okay.
So, but we are not going a lot of NGOs. We are going 2-3 good
Yeah.
NGOs. उनके साथ ही CSR के साथ हम लोग we are trying, and Naman भी है who's helping us
हाँ.
also with the startups का. So,
हाँ.
I mean, I think 3-4 NGOs are good enough, to just run the show abhi ke liye. And then we will see what we can do, because as I said, not many NGOs are doing great work. So we are going to catch NGOs who are really doing the real word, not the real kind.
Right. So coming again to your incubation program, इसमें आप you'll be helping them with funds also, या भी खाली ideation and उस पे आप काम कर रहे हो early stage startups पे?
अभी तो अर्ली स्टेज है मैम, बट यस वी डोंट प्रॉमिस फॉर फंड्स, बट एज आई सेड, जैसे ये I am vouching for this electronic EV हो गया या wheelchair which makes a difference. अगर थोड़ा
Yeah.
technology involved है, I don't mind going out and asking for funds also, as long as it is how we set up diameter like इतना होना चाहिए startups के लिए. And अगर they come into the whole zone, so I don't mind going out. And I've already spoken to Dinesh sir and SPTBI, if there is a possibility, and we will handle the best too. तो अगर हैंडहोल्ड बोल रहे तो देयर शुड बी समथिंग कम फंडिंग. अभी मैं नहीं बोलूंगी, पीछे पड़ जाएंगे लोग. बट ऑफ कोर्स एवरीवन नीड्स फंडिंग, अपर्णा मैम, बट वी हैव टू सी हाउ द स्टार्टअप इज, के बाद में जाके ठप ना हो जाए टाइम. बट द गवर्नमेंट इज ऑल्सो, वी आर अप्रोचिंग द गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो, कोई ग्रांट्स हो गया छोटे मोटे.
More than funds, it's important कि उनका कैसे आप strategize करो उनका business, no?
Yes.
I think that's more important than
sustainability.
That's more important than getting funds.
I believe startups can earn if they are sustained in the market, and if the brand building does help them. I believe that funding तो I think stability के लिए funding important होती है. जैसे मेरे को अभी चाहिए funding. Stability के लिए चाहिए भाई. No, but on a serious note, जैसे global product हो गया, team हो गया, expenses हो गया, उनके लिए funding चाहिए होती है. तो they know, I think उन लोगों को थोड़ा knowledge है कि कैसा होता है. So we are shooting it out. देखते हैं, अभी एक first year है, अपना pilot है, and let's see how it works. दो जन को ले रहे हैं.
Okay, like if anybody wants to associate with your NGO, like any PWD person, if they wants to reach out to you, so like how is the procedure? They can reach out to you through website, या किस तरह से, like do you have certain teams जो कैसे करते हैं आप लोग? Like how do you get more people?
Okay, so NGO नहीं है, मैं मेरा social enterprise है first. Acha, so if anyone wants to be a part, we are more than happy. So we have everyone. It's like हमारे detectives सारे पड़े हैं उधर, पता है. So we do so we believe we walk the talk kind. That means we have our, I'll not say employees, we are a team of disabled employees also working with us. We have Vaibhav, we have Anjali, who are working extensively for the community. आप मेरा अगर खोलोगे तो मेरे बारे में ही सब आएगा. जैसे अभी I'll talk about my radio show also. जैसे कल radio show था, मेरे को पता भी नहीं था. Vaibhav starts putting it up 5 minutes back. आ जाओ आ रही है tights. So if anyone wants to get in touch, so there are my community people.
So then
also, yeah. Am I stuck? No, na ma'am. I see myself.
No, it's okay. You can carry.
Okay. Okay. So उसके बाद नहीं, but I think even I am very approachable. यार मेरे WhatsApp groups there. I have my number given, so I'm very open. किसको आना है? Good intentions, guys, but किसको आना है? Please, y'all are welcome. We do have rules, but everyone is welcome to us.
Okay. So tell us more about this app. Like किस stage पे है? What are your plans, future plans of loveactually.me and all?
My app, it's my dream project first. Oh my God, I'm waiting for my app for like long time. It did take time because of COVID. हम लोग ये साल ही करने वाले थे, but ठीक है, March, April तक we see. So हमारा beta version अभी आ रहा है December 15 तक, and after that we see around 6 months to make an app. आपको तो पता है app कैसा होता है. तो the app will come March and April के बीच में. The app will have socializing professional as well as a community part that bridges the gap, the demand and supply basically. So we can come, you can make friends, you can even date, you can even with the keywords what is coming up, we can even have a professional impact there with the other session, of course. तो ये ऐप आ रहा है, it's coming in March, April, and I think अभी ये ऐप के बारे में पूछा था आपने, तो ये ऐप is coming, guys. loveactually.me है ऐप का नाम. So and of course it has little subscription. Registration is free, but subscription जिसको अगर +1 करना है, तो it's going to be very minimal. No cutting pockets of anyone. We don't believe in that.
Okay, okay, okay. So,
Yeah.
what are your future plans with your social enterprise? Like, how do you see yourself maybe 2 years down the line or 3 years down the line?
Oh, I see a community. So we are approximately 80 million people in India, or more than that, I can say, if the census talks. So I want to benefit maximum. मैं तो खड़े होके झंडा नहीं गाड़ सकती saying that मैं सबको करूंगी, but
Right.
maximum with the professional and socializing personal touch. Activities like Ignite will come out. There'll be big events, which Aparna ma'am, I'll tell you later on. जब पूरा you तो know, but थोड़ा concrete होएगा तो मैं बताऊंगी. But big
Yeah.
events आ रहे हैं. We have. Oh, by the way, there are two big news, if possible, if I have to, just shoot out. One
Yeah,
is my
yeah.
radio show comes where we talk about socializing, we talk about relationships, we talk about friendships and other parts also. Independence, the behavioral
Mhm.
changes. So radio comes Wednesday 9 p.m. Radio Udan. So मैं host हूँ. I'm the Arjitam.
Okay, lovely, lovely.
या ये भी बकेट लिस्ट हो गया मैम मेरा. मेरे को ये करना
Uh,
था. और सेकंड पार्ट इज समथिंग वेरी एक्साइटिंग. ये संडे को हम लाइव आ रहे हैं इंस्टाग्राम पर. मैम आई वुड इनवाइट यू आल्सो टू कम एंड चेक. सो वी आर कोलैबोरेटेड वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट broking company in India, and we are open to give them employment opportunities.
oh, lovely. That's good.
Insurance, health, life, yes. So we
Uh,
have already spoken to the community. So there is Minty Bose coming in. She
okay,
carries a legacy of Bose family, and we
okay.
are collaborated with her. And she's going to be coming in with Sachin Shetty, who's a disabled हमारे team member है, and he's an
Mhm.
amazing person. So they are going to be coming in, and they are going to talk about insurance. And
Okay.
और भी है मैम. अभी मैं इतना ही बोलूंगी. But there's
That's
something
good. That's good.
groundbreaking.
Yeah.
Groundbreaking.
That's
Something
good.
should be
So you have,
surprising, shocking, surprise.
yes, yes, yes. So you have everything lined up for next 2, 3 years, I guess.
Yes, we are
That's
also
good.
planning to raise funds. We are also planning to
That's
raise
good.
funds. So once the funds comes,
Great.
तो सब कुछ I think 3 years तक तो मैं I don't write anything. I don't सच्ची बोलूं plan anything because I'm like
Hmm.
जैसे impromptu. I like impromptu work.
हाँ,
Insurance हो गए. So we are helping them. जैसे मैंने बोला mini जैसे
हाँ, हाँ.
micro major नहीं छोटा छोटा. It
Yeah,
makes a
yeah.
difference, man. So
Yes, yes.
insurance हो गया and employment opportunities हो गई. Ignite आ रहा है.
Hmm.
Big
Hmm.
events आएंगे. App आ रहा है.
Okay.
So I think we are sorted and we are getting good mentors also on board.
Yeah, yeah.
So that will also come up very soon. So let's see how it works out. But today is a disability day and I'm very proud of my community. And
Yes.
they give a lot of love. And ma'am, you and me should start on the women entrepreneur radio also.
Of course.
Of the
Yes, we
disabled
should.
women influencers.
Yes,
We will talk
yes,
about
yes.
that later on. But
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is
yeah,
something which
definitely.
is, we have to
Yeah.
spread this, because there are a lot of women, also
Mhm.
disabled women, who are doing amazing. It's just inspiring stories to get inspired. That's the whole
Lovely,
thing.
lovely. So what I see that you are doing such good work with a difference, no?
Thank
Like there's so many organizations who are doing into same field, but you are doing a similar thing and with a difference. I think that's plus one which you get for this. So like people who are watching or maybe their friends who are just graduating into various subjects and all, who would like to continue this, no? So I think looking at you or maybe hearing your discussion about your Love Actu.me, they might be inspired to work into PWDs, right? So what
Yes.
message do you want to give to people who want to work in this domain?
अरे कुछ नहीं यार. Just I think you should get their trust in, do good work, show that you're working, because it's basically showing rather than talking. And I think approach should be modern, because
Hmm.
as I said, socializing कर रहे हैं, dating. अभी dating बोलेगा तो लोग बोलेंगे क्या है ये. We even
हाँ,
spoke about female. We even spoke about sex. I'll be very frank. There are blogs coming out, which is
हाँ,
very healthy. And thoda
yeah,
modern approach karo, because the community is very modern. They are
yeah.
very inspiring and they are much better than able. I'm serious when it comes to that. They're very open and हम लोग तो
Okay.
ऐसा बैठे जैसे दो दोस्त बैठ रहे हैं. अरे we have wine together, we chill, we joke with each other. They pull my leg also, and they are a part of a family now. तो कुछ भी
Yeah.
excitement हो जाता है, मैं कॉल को उठा लेती हूँ, भाई ये हो गया वो हो गया ना. They are very intelligent
Right,
also.
right.
So
Yeah.
whoever is coming in first, guts थोड़ा रखना चाहिए, because you know, you should have that guts के by God ये ऐसा sensitive communities में हम जा रहे हैं. It is still sensitive, okay,
Yeah.
but you don't have to give up, because we did face a lot of flash also, Aparna ma'am. गुड्डी गुड्डी तो नहीं है, you know, बिस्किट जब चाय में गिरता है तो वो गिरता ही भी है, you know, something comes out, something तो हमारे पास हमारे साथ भी बहुत हुआ, but our work matters and we just move ahead, you know, it's just a deaf ears करके आगे चला, selective listening as Rajni says.
Yes. I think selective learning and deaf ears should be the mantra of doing anything in, rather, not only in this section, no, in this domain, but in any, like if you want to start your business even, you need to be selective learning and deaf ears. Only then you can move
hearing,
forward.
selective listening. Seriously, because there are many who would like to pull you down, because as I said, able क्यों है भाई? काय के लिए? जाओ अपना खुद का काम करो type, you know. But you have to stand strong and say we are doing something good, and wait and watch. That's the whole mantra.
Yeah, that's a mantra. Yes, I guess. I think it's lovely talking to you, Dhanashree. We've been talking on phone, but seeing each other.
After so long, Aparna ma'am.
Yeah, after so long. So really interesting, and you're doing amazing work. All the best to you. I wish all your dreams are fulfilled. LoveActu.me really rocks. All the best.
And Aparna ma'am, I need all your support also for the women thing, you know.
Always
do something.
There.
I want to.
Yes, always there for you. Always there for you.
Lucknow, I'm coming, guys. Lucknow.
Yes. Lucknow needs you. Lucknow needs you.
Yes. Happy Disability Month to all. Happy Disability Month to all. Love you all. And thank you so much, Aparna ma'am, and Women Shine. Guys, follow Women Shine. Subscribe. It's free.
Yeah.
No, Women Shine, guys. It's a beautiful magazine, and I'm also coming this month. Aparna ma'am at last taking me. मैं हमेशा Aparna ma'am को बोलती ले लो at last ले लिया. Aparna ma'am को ले आजा तू. So anyways, thank you so much, ma'am, for your time, and happy Disability Day. God bless everyone.
Bye. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you so much, Aparna ma'am. Bye.